Ooh, ooh la la, hello, hi. Hello everyone, it's Rose and welcome back to Cheap Lazy Vegan and another episode of Munching Mondays, which is my mukbang series. Here on Monday, we do mukbang videos. So if you guys enjoy eating shows, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Today, guys, I have a very special episode of Munching Mondays because we are trying something that is new in the market for us vegans over here in Canada, and I am so excited. You guys already know by the title, the Tim Hortons Beyond Meat, what is it called? Beyond Meat breakfast sausage. Yay! No, what? Yes, that's what it is. Beyond Meat sandwich, sausage, breakfast. You know what I mean. Anyways, I also grabbed some of their coffee, of course. I actually brought my own portable mug. Yes, guys, I'm proud of myself. I always forget, but when I remember, it is a great time. So yes, I poured it into this mug here. I have one of their hash browns. I got like the combo. So I got the coffee, hash brown. Let me just take that out there. Ooh, can you even see it? Let me see if I can find a better angle. Okay. Is that better? I don't know. Anyways. Hello. Maybe I should have this thing here. Okay. Even though this is not sponsored. Timmy's, come on. Send me that sponsorship. Okay. Nobody wants to sponsor me. Hi. Okay. Hello, free promotion for you. I got the combo. So this is the Beyond, you know what? Let me get the name because I don't want to screw this up, okay? It is the Beyond Sausage Lettuce Tomato. Yes, that is the vegan one. And ooh la la, hello, hi. Ooh, it looks decent, guys. It looks pretty decent. I don't know, what do you guys think? Like, the biscuit, like I've tried this biscuit, so I feel like it's gonna be really good with this biscuit, and the biscuit is vegan. I actually did do a video, a taste test sort of video with Tim Hortons vegan friendly items, and I did that like a couple years ago, I think. I'll link that down below, but that's before this Beyond Sausage came out. So I'm so excited because I know that this biscuit is gonna be good, okay? So there it is. Ooh, let's just get another close up there. Hi, hello. Load, it smells good. Okay, so this came out like yesterday. Okay, so I am releasing this video on Monday because it's Munching Mondays, but this is Friday today, and I think this came out yesterday. As soon as I heard about this, I was like, I'm going there tomorrow. Okay, I'm so excited. I cannot believe, but I can believe because guess what, guys? Okay, people are hungry for this kind of stuff. It's 2019, we need more vegan options, and I'm so happy that Tim Hortons is finally on board. But let me ask a question because do they even have soy milk yet? Because I don't know. Okay, the last time I checked, they did not have non-dairy milk. So it's kind of funny that like this is the product they're coming out with, but you know what? I ain't complaining because I drink my coffee black. Okay. It also says vegan on the actual like menu display. See, it does not take much to impress us vegans. Okay, just putting that out there. All of this vegan friendly. Hello, let's give this a try. So I'm just going to use some ketchup. I didn't ask for ketchup because I have ketchup at home. Why would I ask for ketchup? Okay. All right, I'm just going to add a little bit of ketchup on the side here because I know I will probably dip things in ketchup. People are like, why don't you just put the ketchup in the sandwich? And I'm like, I don't know. Okay. Anyways, I bought all this with my own money, guys. Okay, the whole $6.30. Actually, I don't know if it was 30 cents, but it was a little bit above $6, okay? Which is, God bless Tim Hortons. It's so cheap, okay? I love Tim Hortons. Okay, anyways, we're gonna, what am I doing? Why am I eating this first? Okay, so let's try this, okay? I love this biscuit, so I feel like it's gonna be tasty, okay? Ooh. Hi, Tim Hortons. Would you like to sponsor me, please? Hello, hi. Okay. You guys, that is a breakfast sandwich. That is a breakfast sandwich. Oh, wow, that's so good. Is this for reals? Oh my God, it's actually really good on its own, but I think it's gonna be better with ketchup because everything's better with ketchup. Mmm. Mmm. The biscuit is so soft and tastes like just buttery, you know? It kind of tastes like a buttery biscuit, but there's no butter in this biscuit. And it just like goes so well with that sausage. That sausage has that really breakfast sausage taste. So I tried the A&W breakfast sandwich with the Beyond sausage. I don't know if it's the same one. I feel like it might be because it does taste quite similar. It has that like, you know, that breakfast sausage taste. I don't know how to describe it. It's kind of, there's like very chewy chunks, but it has that like all-American breakfast sausage taste. I don't know, I'm sure you guys know what I'm talking about. I can taste like there's some spices in there. Oh, it's so good. And it goes so well with this this biscuit. This biscuit is life, you guys. This combination is so good. Oh, I'm so happy. Yay! Coffee. And I'm so excited because now if I go to Tim Hortons, I don't just have to get, you know, a hash brown or a bagel with peanut butter, which don't get me wrong, I do like the bagels with peanut butter, okay? But homegirl loves these breakfast sandwiches, okay? So the fact that this is available also in A&W and in Tim Hortons is so exciting for us vegans, okay? We have been deprived of the simple joys in life, okay? No, but not really, but it's just exciting, it's fun, okay? Mmm. 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 Let's try this hash brown. Mmm. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Did I mention I did do a Tim Hortons like vegan taste test video a couple years ago? And I did try this biscuit and it was really good. But of course, it was just on its own because they don't have anything else that's vegan that you can put in between. Mmm. Yummy. Oh, see, I knew when the Beyond Burger came out at A&W, I was like, this is going to change things, okay? Finally! And when I went to Tim Hortons, okay, everyone was ordering this. Everyone was ordering, well, I don't know if they were ordering the vegan version, but everyone was ordering, a lot of people were ordering the Beyond Meat sandwich. Mmm. Mm-hmm. I think they ran out. Mm-hmm. I think they ran out because there was 2 people in front of me that ordered like 3 of these Beyond Meat sandwiches, and then I ordered, and then some guy behind me ordered like, I think a few, like maybe like 4, maybe he was getting it for a bunch of people. And then after that, the girl that was making the sandwiches was like, no more Beyond Meat or something like that. I was like, oh my God, thank God that I got the timing right, okay? Mm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Oh man, seriously, I'm so excited. I wonder what, like, where they're gonna expand to next. Hmm? Mm. This is so great because Canadians, we drive long distances, okay? We live in a big country. Where I live, we drive to the mountains, we go camping. That's like a big part of Canadian life, okay? And when you drive long distances, most of the places that you can stop at are like fast food places. Tim Hortons, A&W, McDonald's, all those places. So now we have another option like Tim Hortons to get something, you know, like this, okay? It was so nice, like when the A&W Beyond Meat burger came out, and I went on like a road trip to like Kelowna, and I could stop at any A&W and get myself a burger. Like, how nice is that? Mmm. Mm. Mmm. Mmm. That is so good. Mmm. By the way, for anyone that's gonna comment, oh my god, it's not healthy, it's not healthy. I'm not doing this for my health, okay? It's not like the non-vegan version is healthy. It's nice to have these options. It's so good. Canada is a good place to be. Okay. We may not have veggie grill, but we got Tim Hortons selling Beyond sausage. Okay. So if you guys want to come out to Canada, you know, weed is legal. We got A&W serving Beyond Meat. We got Tim Hortons serving Beyond Meat. We have public health care. What more do you need? Oh, so delicious. I don't want this to end. I should have got 2. Oh my god, it's so good. Whew. You guys, I made, oh my god, I want another one. Honestly, it's so good. I want crummies. All right, you guys, so that was the new Tim Hortons Beyond Meat lettuce and tomato sandwich combo. I had the hash browns as well as a black coffee. That was so delicious. I'm just so happy that this is available to us vegans, okay? It is time. It is about time that we get more and more vegan options, and I'm just so happy that we are living in this time where, you know, all of these exciting things are happening and all of these new vegan options are becoming available. That means that we are reaching the mainstream. Okay. Anyways, that was so good. I really hope you guys enjoyed this taste test / mukbang video. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you're new to this channel, of course, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.